Daddy's calling from the house, don't let him hear us breathe. Get down low beside me, Forrest, so only God can see. I don't need a pair of shoes, I don't need a road. I just need to get so far I'll never hear him call. Dear God, make me a bird, take me over the trees, far as the sky can go. Make me a bird, I won't ask for anything more, just don't make me stay here. Make me a bird, fly far, far away from here. I thought every town was a doorway, every highway knew the way. I thought freedom meant no one could ever make me stay. So I sang beneath the spotlights, I slept in strangers' rooms, put springtime in my hair like flowers made you bloom. There was always somewhere farther, there was always someone new. Every time the road got ugly, I knew what I could do. Make me a bird, give me somewhere else to be, over California or maybe Tennessee. Make me a bird, I've gotten good at leaving. If I never come down, nothing can catch me. Make me a bird. Then you'd come walking through it, same old forest, same old smile, like no time had passed between us, like I'd only been gone a while. You never asked where I had slept, you never asked what I'd become. You just look at me the same way you did when we were still young. And God, that scared me worse than any man who raised his hand. 'Cause I knew what hurting looked like, but I didn't know a love like that. So I told you not to save me, then I left you there again. You were the safest place I knew, but I needed to fly. Make me a bird, there must be somewhere I can go. I've crossed half of this country, why do I feel so close? Make me a bird, give me one more place to try. Still searching for that freedom, fly far, far away from here. I came back to that old house once, I threw everything I found. There aren't enough rocks in the whole damn world. Years later, high above the street, I stood barefoot in the rain. Cars were little beads of light, the wind was in my face. For 1 second I remembered a cornfield and a prayer. Maybe this was flying. I stepped back, I don't remember deciding I had nowhere left to go. I just remember your front steps and waking up at home. I slept through half the morning, then I slept another day. You never tried to wake me, you just let me stay. We walked out by the old place, I could see it through the trees. And for once I didn't need a rock For once I didn't need to leave. I used to think the sky was freedom. I used to beg to soar. I crossed 1,000 miles to find what had been looking for. So leave the window open, let the Alabama air come through. Forrest, our little boy is sleeping. You can stay here too, I'm tired. Forrest. I don't know if we each have a destiny, or if we're all just floating around accidental like on a breeze. But I think maybe it's both.